Hey guys, so today I'm with my sister and she is making pumpkin cake with cream cheese icing, not a filling, icing. So she's just prepping all the ingredients, but after she's ready, we're gonna continue with the video. So just keep watching and it's gonna be really, really yummy. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. So start off with mixing all the dry ingredients together. A quarter teaspoon of salt. Imagine. On a separate bowl, mix all the wet ingredients with the brown sugar. And then you just whisk it all together. Once the wet ingredients are all mixed together, now it's time to put the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients together. You have to put in a little bit of the batter at a time, just to make sure everything is well incorporated. Okay. I'm just letting you know so you can. I'm paying attention. Oh, cool. You're okay. Sorry. Once baked, make sure you let it cool off before putting the frosting on top. So, for frosting, beat together, it's recording, right? Beat together the cream cheese, which is 8 ounces, so the whole full block. I'll probably just cut it up so that way it's easier. So beat that together until smooth. And then let sit for 5 to 10 minutes until brown sugar dissolves completely. Okay. So there's that. And again, you have to let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes just to ensure that the brown sugar is fully dissolved. So just a little bit of salt. And then you can pour the vanilla. Nice. And then just do a little bit of the icing sugar. Now? Yeah.
How much is a little bit?
That's good. Yeah. So last but not the least, the caramelized pecans. Basically, you would just have to melt the butter in the pan, and then you would add the brown sugar and leave it in the medium heat. Once the brown sugar is melted, then you can add the pecans and just wait till it boils a little bit, but be careful not to burn the sugar. So after that, you just lay it flat on a wax paper or a silicone mat. Let it cool off, and then you can break it apart afterwards. So once the cake has cooled off, you can now put the frosting on top. And finally, the cherry on top, which in this case is the caramelized pecans, just to finish off the cake.
Yeah, I feel like it's better to do 2, no?
Yeah, I just want to.
Because then when you buy it once, then you would have like
perpendicular. This is my OCD though.
Don't be stingy.
I know. Yeah. It's better with more. Here, I'll stick in the second one.
I'll do 2. See? Yeah, I'm trying to feature the bracelet.
Here's Sushan
Loud pride.
and hat.
And finally, now we can serve it, and hope you guys enjoy this as much as we do.